Welcome friends, and what a beautiful day to play. Miss Muffin here, so let's get started. Today we're gonna play with the Hello Kitty airplane adventure. Here we have Hello Kitty, and she's got her flying gear on. She's got her pink bow and her glasses and a cute little sweater on. And her head moves. And she is ready to fly. Hey, Miss Muffin, can you help make my airplane? Of course. You guys help too. Okay, guys, let's do it. And there we have Hello Kitty's plane. And we can put a Hello Kitty sticker right here. Perfect. And there's a bunch more stickers that you can put on wherever you want. Let's start this plane up. Does that sound good to you, Hello Kitty? Meow. Let's do it. Wow, well thanks for helping me build this, you guys. You too, Miss Muffin. Don't forget, subscribe to Miss Muffin's channel. Bye-bye.